Hey, hi, hello, it's me. Streaming on purpose this time is not uh is not an accident that I'm streaming. I'm streaming on purpose with the intention of being on twitch.tv/failderp. I still can't believe I somehow accidentally went live the other night. That was something else. Thank God I had clothes on. Oh, that was so bad. I've got late lunch. I've got doggo. I have clothes. I think I'm gonna get a blanket. It's a little cold today. Ooh. More accidental streams? No. What are you talking about? That never happens. No. This one's on purpose. It's on purpose. We're all good. I have some accidental things that I'm trying to address with the stream. You'll probably see in a minute. Let me get a... Ooh, I'll get a hoodie. I'm gonna get a hoodie. Wait, let me go get that real quick. Hi Satsu, hey Acid. Oh my god, everyone has the things. Yay. Alright, I'm here. Also, I think I figured out why or how it happened the other night that the stream went on. I think if I hit go live on my stream deck, it just does it. Whereas if I hit go live or start streaming from OBS, it's like, are you sure? Because I clicked it this time on OBS and I was like, how did this pop-up happen? And somehow it still went live. No. No, it's wait, let me show you. This is the whole thing. It has a little band across the top. And then there's some water tribe things going on here. Oh no, this is the White Lotus one. It's too cold to be wearing a breathable hoodie. I know. I actually have laundry going right now. The zipper's so small. This is my Order of the White Lotus hoodie that has like the top little neck thing. Right, Setsu? Is that right? Yeah. Oh wait, my hair. Where did I put it? That's weird. My Twitch dashboard isn't showing chat, but OBS is getting my chat. Can everyone read everyone else's chat? What's going on? And then gotta fix this stuff. Ah. Yep. Unsure. Yeah, it's Avatar themed. With intentions of imitating things from the second series, the Legend of Korra series. I want to fix this though. Why is one so long? There we go. Is it like... No, it's not that bad. I have it. I don't know what to say. I have a lot of clothing. Not all of it fits me because not all of it was originally intentionally meant to be mine. I have an aunt who loves clothes shopping and she will just like buy everything, and then after such and such amount of time she'll be like, oh, I have a lot of clothes, here you go, they're from last season or 2 seasons ago. She's kind of stopped doing that, but I do have an abundance of clothes for that reason. So It's probably fine. Do you like my little halo? I thought I cropped that out. Legend of Korra Water Tribe, yeah. I can't believe Acid put you on blast. Oh, there we go. Reload. That fixed the chat. I had to look way over. That's better. My dashboard's all weird though. I don't know what happened. Let me just move some stuff around. So I'm gonna be coding today, but it's something new, and I don't feel confident with it yet because we had 1 day of class. Today is day 2, but we haven't had day 2 lessons yet, so I'm just gonna be trying to figure stuff out. We'll see what happens. So maybe nothing happens on the stream, but I'm going to attempt to use NodeJS, which is new. I'll show you what I have. They gave us some starter code, which is nice. Okay, Discord's good. All right, in theory, we will see VSCode. Yes. Okay. Oh, my little halo though. Why? Why? If I do this, is this gonna ruin everything? There. Oh, it does. I can either have a halo or I can have a green screen. Fuck up. Dang. Oh well. Just can. What if I crop the top? See my setup? Let's do 10 plus green screen. This one is cropped, I think. Filter. Crop. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. Damn. 150 crops the top. And then this is fine. Oh, I probably messed up everything. Oh yeah, I messed it up. Fudge. It's trippy. I know. I'm sorry. You see the little green screen thing right there? Look at that. Look at that. It's not perfect. And look, the mic, the boom arm is a little messed up. I'm still learning how to do this. This is what happens when you smoke feet. Cora, what's wrong? Come here. Puppy. Oh, there's someone at the door. We're in a 90s music video now. Yeah, so I was showing off what I did off stream. This is the thing I was testing when I accidentally went live and had no idea I was live for probably like 5 minutes. No, I don't think it was 5 minutes. Maybe like 2 minutes, but still. Everyone was watching, and I was just sitting there watching a video that Setsu sent to me. Cora, come here. Hey, Gertie. Can you hear her sniffing? Hi. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hi. I have food right in front of me, and she's making eye contact with it, and I'm concerned. She's not too much of a food thief, though. Anyway, let's see. What did I ruin? Oh, the doggo. Yes, core emotes. Oh, it's not ruined. Look, everything's good. That's better. So this is my VSCode. I could not figure out how to... What's the word? I couldn't figure out how to personalize my git bash. So I had to blur out the terminal. So here, I'll type a bunch of like letters and you'll see. You see like the little block moving over? I have all this stuff typed in and you can't read it. Which is not ideal because the node stuff is going to happen down there, I think. But I couldn't figure out how to personalize my git bash. So it just says failder PC, but also some of my login information. Whoops. I'll get better at this. I didn't want to break my git bash because I need it to do my work. So how's everyone doing? What did you eat today? I'm eating leftovers. But it's like taro and some pork and what else is in this? It's really gingery, which is good. Sushi. Ooh. I could go for sushi. We did sushi for Setsu's birthday. That was really fun. I'm not here today. Oh. Well, I'll see you next time then. Where are you? Oh no, the chat's on my face. I knew something was gonna be wrong. Chat. Go over there. There. Maybe you're on there, it's fine. Yeah. All better. Whoops. Sorry, I didn't mean to put you all over my face. Oh no. That's like the worst person to call too, is like the dentist. I actually have to cancel my next visit because I don't have dental insurance. Phone calls are weird. I hope it goes well. Do you guys know what a readme is? Because I have to make a program that makes a readme. But it's not actually that cool. I think this project's gonna be pretty lame. Why can't I just get a time? Oh, you're trying to make an appointment? That's a good question. I feel like that's definitely possible. Like to schedule an appointment online? That's not anything new or super technical. I wonder why they insist on it being done with a person. For a 1 to 5-year-old, you can do it online? I wonder why you can't do it for an adult. Maybe it's because adult needs are more complicated than first to 5-year-olds. Like, oh, we might have cavity, or oh, we have to do an X-ray, or something like that. I don't know. I'm just guessing here. Are you aware you are alive? Why would you ask that? That's such a weird question, Mike. What do you mean? Of course I know I'm live. I'm pretty sure no one would ever just go live by accident. Obviously. That'd be so unprofessional. Hi, Mike. Welcome. I'm like trying to be cool about it, but it was so bad. Yeah, no one ever does that. Jeez. It's like you have no confidence in me. Acid, I hope you write that phone number down. Don't lose it. Yeah, what do you mean? I know what I'm doing. So funny. I still can't believe y'all were here for that. Like, you could have just let me suffer in silence. Because, actually, no, it's probably better if someone says something. I can't even imagine. What did I even. Because I have my main screen in front of me, and then I have OBS off to the side, like at this angle. So I'm always looking over here. And, I don't really know what caught my eye. I think just like maybe the chat moving and like seeing some new colors in my peripherals. I was like, oh my god, what? Who's typing in my chat right now? God, that was awful. But it was so funny. Oh, music. Thank you. I didn't think of that. Mm. How about some DMCA free music? Hosted by Spotify. This is Bass Boosted City. What are you guys listening to? I see you have hardstyle and Frenchcore? What the hell is that? Acid, is that you or is that Rainbow right now? Sounds cool, but it sounds confusing too. There's so much meat left. I kind of don't like meat that much. I ate all the good taro parts already. Whoops. Oh, yeah? I think my Spotify says you're listening to it right now. Or maybe that was just the most recent song that you've listened to. Accelerate. Official Accelerator Anthem of 2014. Code Black. Yeah, that's what it says on my Spotify. You're listening to Piano Sonata number 14 in C sharp. Wow. What made you change genres? mm, I don't know what to listen to anymore. I've had a lot of like other people's music in the last few years. I can't even say that anything I've listened to is my own preference. I don't know. And that doesn't mean I don't like other people's music, but like it's nothing I've went and found myself and been like, oh, this is great. I'm gonna listen to it. I think it's a time thing though. Like trying to search out your own music and have time for it. Yeah. I bet you discover a lot when you play Osu. There's so many songs in there. Hmm. So the program I'm working on, or about to start, came with the starter code. That's why it says to do on the top. It's good for chillin'. Hmm. All right, we'll leave everything in this size. I tried to learn how to blur stuff, and I kind of did it, but it's not perfect. Like I just learned if I change the size of my of my windows, it breaks the blur, which is not ideal. I need the blur to always work. You guys know how to do that? Like, it's easy if I want to like play a game like Overwatch and blur the chat instead of hide the chat. That's not bad because the chat's always in one place. But do you know how to do anything like dynamically where no matter where something goes on the screen, you can still blur it? Like, you know how people have face blurring technology? You could probably install like some program that looks for anything that resembles a face and then like puts a blur circle on it. I want to do that, but for text. But I don't know of anything that can do that. It's probably not impossible. Because, like, I know Adobe can do it. Because Adobe has PDFs, which are like images of text, sort of. But they have PDF readers and things that can decode it and then take the words back out again. And even if they don't format correctly, it still has all the letters. And then you can just respace it all. There's so much food. I tend not to be picky with food, but there's so much fat in this. I'm trying to leave some of it. That's what makes it taste so good, though. Where's the project? I need the project description from somewhere. Let me see if I can get it. Okay, I found it. NodeJS challenge. Create a professional README generator. Use command line application to generate a README. This will allow the project creator to devote more time working on the project. Some of the technologies we use in the course, like GraphQL and MERN, do not work well with NodeJS version 18. Make sure you're using version 16. Okay. I have to figure out how to do that. I think I know how to do that. So I have some things on the screen blurred out, long story short. And we need to see it to understand what's happening. But it has some of my info in it, so I guess I'll just blur it out. So I'll just tell you what it says. Until I figure out how to format this better. Alright, so I need to turn on Node. There. I'm telling it to use... I'm telling NVM to use version 16. Hopefully I typed it correctly. Okay. This is pretty cool. I wish you could see it. But I installed Node Version Manager and Node Package Manager, I think. And so the Node is like some downloadable crap from the internet that helps you run stuff without needing your browser to check it over and over. So instead of typing in stuff in the code here and then going to the browser to see if something works or not, I'll just be able to look down and see in the blurred part, like in here, did it work or not? The stuff I'm trying to write. So I've turned on, using the Node version manager, I turned it on and I wrote nvm, which turns it on. And then it says, hello, here's all the stuff you can do. It has colors. And then one of the things it says is you can say nvm use and then whatever number. So it says it'll use whatever is the last release of that number. So I said nvm use 16, and it switched me to Node version 16.19.0. So now I can start, I think. I should probably get the project instructions again, though. No. Cora, come here. Come on. Why are you growling, huh? Lay down. Lay down. She's so grumpy. Okay. Have really long instructions. I'll put them on the end this time. Normally I like to have all my stuff at the beginning, but it's so long. Look at this. Copy paste. All this green shit. As a developer, I want a README generator so I can quickly generate a professional README for a new project. And then here's the rules on what we have to do. So, using a command line application that accepts user input. Hang on, need some visual separation between these things. Holy shit, there's so many. When I'm prompted for info about my repository, then a high-quality professional README is generated with title of project and sections. All these sections, blah, blah, blah. When I enter my project title, then it's displayed in the title of the README. That's cool. When I enter description and all the things into the sections, then it's added to all the sections. When I choose a license, then the badge is added and a notice to the end that explains which one is used. When I enter my GitHub username, then it's added to the section of the README entitled questions with a link to my profile. Email address, same thing. When I click the table of contents, then it moves me down. Okay. I actually have no idea how to start this. Completely honest right now. This is too new for me. Include packages needed for this application. Don't mind me. I've got San Pellegrino Italian sparkling drink, aranciata. So I have index.js, I have generate markdown.js, and a package.json. I don't know what any of this is. Package.json is just a big ass object full of objects, and for some reason it says debug in it. Create a function that returns a license badge based on which license is passed in. If there's no license, return an empty string. I feel like the starter code is so overcomplicated. I feel like I'd be able to start if I had no starting point. But I'm trying to understand the shit they gave us. Create a function that returns the link, otherwise empty string. Create a function that returns license section. Create a function to generate markdown for a readme. What? Hang on, I'm gonna close this for a second. I'm gonna open my class notes. Oh, you can't see my class notes. That's awesome. Okay. Let's see. All right, if I go into class notes, I kind of didn't pay very good attention in class Monday night, so I don't know where to start. But we got some cool demos. Like, and we also learned how to use kind of random stuff like arrow functions and let and constant variable names instead of var variable names. I don't know if I have enough info to do this project right now. All of the create greeting functions are equivalent. Yeah, they showed us how to do arrow functions, and then what else? Huh. So we didn't learn how to do import yet. Where do we learn that? Template literals, functional loops. Oh, we don't learn how to do any of this until Thursday? NPM init. Okay, it looks like we're gonna do require instead of. Excuse me. We're not learning almost anything that's relevant to this week. What the heck? So the index page gets constant something equals whatever. Damn. I should have read the instructions before going live. I don't think I can code this. Let me see one more thing. I'm going to see if anyone else started. Group chat. Anyone look at the project yet? I'm trying to figure out if we've learned enough to get started. There. And then function init, write to file, write to readme file, array of questions. I could do that. Maybe. right, so what questions do I need? Prompted for const get started equals ready to begin building your readme? Question mark. Oh, two people just responded. I was like, hey, did anyone look at their project yet? I'm trying to figure out if we've learned enough to get started. My one buddy says, I looked at it, no idea where to start. And the other says, nope. Like, dang it. Oh. The last person in the group chat's answering right now. Cora. Hang on, I'm gonna let her outside. I'll just be a second. Okay. Last person. She says, I started it last weekend, but kind of stuck. I don't think we're there yet. Wow. Nice. Alrighty. Display. Let's go. Such is the best. Thanks for cheering me on. Okay. Let's see. I guess I'll just write a bunch of questions. Const get started will be... What are the questions do I need? Project title. Project title. Title question. What would you like to name this project? Constant again. When I enter description and all these things, then it's added. Description queue. How would you describe this project? Oops. And I don't even remember, what are you supposed to add in a readme? Wait a minute. Like, I know, but they gave us some suggestions on what to put into each section. Readme notes. Readme guide? Create a readme. Haha. Hint. Motivation. Why? Solving what problem? Solving which problems? Hey, Cora. No. Learned. Things learned. Okay. Cora. What? What, babe? You can't steal my food. You can't. It's mine. I know, but it's mine. Put some fuzzy socks on. It's so cold. It's like, I think they're alpaca wool socks. So fancy. No alpacas were harmed in the making of my socks. Maybe just got a little naked, but that's fine. Alright, what's after description? Installation instructions. Install queue. What do I have to say? For installation? I'm just gonna copy this straight from my class. And then what? Instructions, usage. I hope I can use this code later. Usage section. I wonder. I already don't really like what direction this is going. My order is confirmed. Okay, cool. I'm thinking like it might be nicer to what was I thinking? It might be nicer to make like do you want to do this now? Like when I write a readme, I don't always do everything in order. In fact, a lot of the times I start at the end in like the credits section. It's just easier for me that way. And thinking about my process for how I write the readme, I would have to have so many checkpoints. Like it would be great to save the file and then come back to it later and add things later. I think this readme builder generator assumes that the user, who is also the developer in this case, won't actually touch the project until after or won't touch the readme until after they've started writing or finished writing their code. Ugh. Let's see. I wonder if we could just skip questions and then it pops off questions as they're answered. If they answer yes. Huh. Oh well, that can be an added feature later. I'll definitely look into it. I don't know how the command prompt would add pictures either. int again. Boop. Use this syntax to add an image. This sounds cool. I like this song. What is it? It's still bass boosted city. Yo, it's nice. Oh, it's an hour long? That's cool. I guess we'll never know what this one particular song is called in the playlist, but dang. It's nice. So bouncy. Okay. That's better. Oh, that's way better. Alright, picture, usage is done. What else? Contribution guidelines. Oh, shit. Const contribution question mark is empty string. How would you like to ask other developers to contribute? Let's see. Contributorcovenant.org, a code of conduct for open source communities. Oh, contributorcovenant.org suggests setting strict boundaries so people don't abuse your code. Very interesting. Yo, this music's fun. Participating in open source is often a highly collaborative experience. We are encouraged to create in public view, and we are incentivized to welcome contributions of all kinds from people around the world. This makes the practice of open source as much social as it is technical. Some open source projects attract enough contributors that a community forms. Healthy open source community centers the shared values and norms of its members. While not all of these values are exactly the same from community to community, there's a set of core values and norms. How to adopt contributor covenant. Your code of conduct should be easy to locate, whether as a page on your community's website or a code of conduct.md file in the root directory of your project's repository. You must add a contact method to the placeholder in doc so people know how to report violations. Cora. What, babe? I can't tell if she's asking for the food that I have or if she wants to go out. Her ears perk at both of the words, food and out. I think if she wanted to leave and go outdoors, she'd be asking someone else to go. So I'm just gonna assume she wants my snacks that are not for her. Huh. I'm a little confused. New file? What do I call it? Code of conduct. New file. Oops. New file. Code of conduct. There we go. Insert contact method. Can you message people on GitHub? Is that a thing? I'm gonna go to this guy. You can follow someone in GitHub. You can't message someone on GitHub. You okay? That's good to know. Hey, how are you? Ryan, I started Setsu's project. I'm so excited. Sorry, I'm like digging into different websites and like reading stuff right now. I'm not showing on screen. How's it going? I started a project for Setsu. I'm super excited. Yeah. I've been digging around in, well, Comfy.js is not hard at all. I was so worried I couldn't get it to work, but we started Node in class, NodeJS, and so I switched to the Comfy.js to be Node package instead of the CDN link, which was cool. So now I'm digging around in the Pokemon TCG API. That's not what's on stream right now, but that was really fun. They have their, it's weird though, Pokemon. Yeah. Yeah, I was really surprised. At first I thought like it was going to be really complicated and I was all nervous with Comfy.js, like, cause the starter code that it gives you on like installation, I remember it had like flag.broadcaster. And I was like, no, only certain people can use it. That's terrible. I want everyone to use it. But I realized you could just take off the flag dot whatever. Like just entirely. It fixes everything. So yeah, Node.js doesn't look too hard. I think it's okay. Setsa and I were poking around with the Pokemon TCG API, and that one's a little more pain in the ass. Yeah. Well, because they said the flags that they made available, that InstaFluff, the developer, made available, were for like subs or VIPs or I don't know, just different folks. And yeah, I got myself all worried, like, oh no, the pubs can't use it, but it's fine. It's totally fine. Let's see. So I've been debating on step 2 for the Pokemon TCG API. I am stuck between, do I use the syntax they offer, or do I just write an old school fetch call and like specify what I want to specify? I started with using their format and stuff, but there's some query parameters you can't quite set in correctly. So I think I'm going to have to engineer my own new code. Basically, what I want to do that I'm not sure I can is find a card by set name. Because you can find a set by name, like a Pokemon card set, for example. Like Crown Zenith is the new one. Oh, is it a bird or a snow? What just happened? There's a window right behind here, and I think I just saw a bird chased by a hawk or something. I thought it was snow at first. But yeah, I can find cards, and I can find sets, but I haven't yet figured out how to find a card from a set, like in one search. I think I might have to do 2 searches just to get a card from a set, but we'll see. That's like the next big hurdle to get past. I want to try and use Pokemon TCG API's syntax that they made, but if I can't do it, I will write my own. Let's see. Can't believe it's Wednesday already, though. Holy shit. This week really, really went by quickly. Cora. No. She's just like, because I'm not giving her things. Alright, so contributor covenant at insert contact method. And then what? Community impact, consequence, temporary ban, attribution, it's all there. Alright, so in theory, I'll just add this. Git add a git commit m added code of conduct for this repo. Git push. There we go. Actually, Ryan, one thing I want to ask you later, not now, but like later, is how to customize your Git. Like I have my personal information in my Git, and I want to know if I take it off, is that going to ruin how it connects to GitHub? I think when I set up my Git bash, I told it like who I was and what is my GitHub account and like connected it. And then I think it went looking for my GitHub account and put my name into the Git bash. And I want to take my name out. Like it says faildeverpoler because that's what my PC is called, but it's still a little messed up. I don't know how to do it. Oh, I got a ding. Someone from the group chat says, once we learn how modules work and object destructuring and template literals, then we can do a project. I think we'll be able to start. Maybe by the end of the night tonight. Okay. Oh my god, Twitch told me I'm live. Wow. I wouldn't have known. That's so late. Coldstone. Ooh. Stop advertising to me. God damn. I would think you can change your name. Yeah. I just, I don't know how to do it yet. I'm so, like, there's so many things that are imperative you don't change. They're always like, do not touch this. This is bad, blah, blah, blah. And then, like, there's other things where they're like, oh, you can write it, you can name it whatever you want. It doesn't matter. And I don't know the difference between the imperative do not touch and the things that don't matter. So I'm just like, oh my god, what if I break it? I just don't know. I'm such a noob. Nothing else on the calendar. All right. What else did I do? What else was I doing? Oh yeah. If you're using a README file in your source code repository, display a badge like this. Here. Copy. Paste. What's going on? Hey, Phantom. Dang, what are you, on the bus or something? Or walking home? How did you how did you do that? What's good? I don't know. I'm learning some new code stuff, and it's actually pretty hard this time. I probably say that every time, but every time I learn something, they give us something new that's harder. So, I'm excited. Still learning. On the bus? Okay. I hope you had a good day. Oh my gosh, did you guys have midterms? Wait, what happened? Give me updates. Did it go okay? I hope you studied. I know, I shouldn't be talking about school, because, like, if the day's over, you don't have to think about it anymore. You had our midterms. Alright, cool. Cool. What's good with you? What's going on? I'm learning how to do weird stuff now. Instead of, like, building a website, I'm building all this stuff behind the scenes. So it's, like, kind of hard to tell if I'm doing it right or not, almost. Because, like, I'm used to being like, oh, now look at the website that I made. Like, oh, see, like, it's blue now, and it's not white anymore. Like, oh, I correctly changed the color or whatever. But this stuff's getting a little trippy. There's this thing called a README, and it's literally just a document that says, read me. I want you to see the words in here. And all the only thing you're supposed to write in there is, like, what your project is about. Like, basically a summary of what you did and why, and saying, like, why it's important, or what does it help people do, the program that you made. And it's also where you set your sources. Like, if you use somebody's something to help you build it, then you have to say, like, oh, like, their thing was helpful. So this project this week that I'm working on is to invent a generator that's not AI, but something that will help you build this document. Because usually developers who write code don't want to like sit here and write. So you can just use my program once I'm finished building it, and it'll help you build it. So contributions. What else? Hint. Use this syntax to add reference to whatever it's called. Contributor covenant. What's after contributions? Tests? Tests? What goes in the test section? Oh, geez, it's so long. Go the extra mile, write tests for your application, provide examples on how to run them. Remember that in Markdown, a hashtag is a top-level header, typically the title. You can create your own title. For example, purposes. We will use pre-work study guide webpage. Double hashtag is subheading. Go the extra mile and write tests for your application. And provide examples on how to run them. Okay. And then what? Project title. Did I do that? Yes. License. Const license question. What license is protecting this repository? Const the badge gets up there and the license username, email address, table of contents. All right. Username question, const email question. What is your GitHub username? What is your contact email address? Hi, puppy. She stopped growling at me. Okay. Create an array of questions for user input. Let's see. Optional sections are tests and contribution tests. And I think that's it. What about the credit? There's no credit section? No, out. Come on, over here. Come on. Cutest doggo. Okay. Optional sections are here, and then email. What's the email one? I don't think I want to put my email on all of my repos. I think I want to make prompts for adding these sections. So I need title, I need description, installation, usage, test is optional, license I need, username I need, and then email is optional. Const, do you want to include open source contributions? Code of conduct? I don't know what I want. Contribution goes after usage. So ask if they want to use it here. I don't know. Optional email question and optional test question. Include your contact email address. Do you want to include how to test your code? Optional. Get started is first. Then ask title, description, installation, usage, license, and username. And then tests, and then email. Oh, that's so cool. I forgot. I don't have to copy and paste things anymore. I learned how to do the shortcut where you can like move lines of code up and down without highlighting it all, cutting it, and then pasting it. So get started, title, description, installation, usage, license, username. Let's see. How to insert into array. I want to see if I can insert my question at the right spot. An array is a collection of items stored at contiguous memory locations. We'll see how to insert an element into an array in Java. No, not Java. Give me JavaScript. JavaScript. Pew, pew, pew. Hi, Satsu. Because push just adds to the end, doesn't it? Splice is what I want. Oh no. Wait, what? Unshift is the beginning, push is the end. Concatenation method without mutating the original array. Array, comma, element. That sounds cool. How to push elements into an array with concatenation method. We can use concat method to add elements to an array without mutating or altering the original. Instead, create a new one that's a better method if we don't want the original to be affected. We can use this method to add elements to both the beginning and the end based on where we place the new things. So if we have countries, Ghana, Nigeria, and Rwanda, new countries will be concatenate Mali and Kenya. Mali, oh. Concat method adds beginning and end locations only and can join them. Maybe that's not what I want. Let's see what splice does. Splice's general purpose for changing contents of an array by removing, replacing, or adding elements in a certain position. So if I have Ghana, Nigeria, and Rwanda, and I do splice, start position 0 and then new element. Start position specifies the index of where we want the new elements to be inserted. If we want to add to the array, we set the second argument to 0 and not delete anything. Pop method, JavaScript. This just takes the one off the end. Can you specify what you want to pop? It removes the last element and returns the removed element. No, that's not what I want. Let's see, array methods, fine, no. The same number of items, fewer items, more items. Flat map. Flat map method, JavaScript. Let's see what that does. The flat map method returns a new array formed by applying a given callback function to each element, and then flattening the result by one level. It's the same as map followed by flat. What? So you have an array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the flattened one is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What? What's reduce do? Executes a user-supplied reducer callback function. I don't know what that means. Okay. Let's do something else. They're right. The group chat was right. I don't know enough. So I'm gonna just do something else. And that's fine. Hey! Buddy. Babe.
Now traveling to Busan. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
When I get the most kills, okay?
I'm here to support.
Well, easy.
5, 4,
Hi.
3, 2.
I forgot to turn off my VPN, so I hope it doesn't kick me out of the game.
Let's keep each other safe.
Hello.
Join me. Let's group up.
I will speak to you.
Okay, I'm coming.
Hostile in view.
The enemy has taken
Yeah. Pew pew pew. Punching.
recover your flag.
Yes. Yes. For now.
Flag was returned.
I've been in a solo mood for like the last week, I feel like. I don't know what that's about.
They have our flag.
Oh no, they're killing our friends.
Thank you. They have our flag. Get it back. Defend our flag.
Put them in the ground. You are safe with
Leave me alone.
Let's group up.
Score.
hostiles approach.
Your team has the flag.
Your miscalculations will not kill me.
The enemy has taken your flag. Your team has dropped the flag.
Do not react.
Oh no.
Now do you see your error?
Enemy flag returned. The enemy has taken your flag.
Die.
Your team has the flag.
Poor Anna.
Your team has dropped the flag. The enemy has taken your flag.
Wait, where is it? Oh shit. I thought we returned it.
Enemy flag.
Yeah.
Recover your flag.
Yes, it's captured the flag.
The enemy has taken your flag.
No, no. Dang.
Enemy has
Quitter.
scored.
I have to win 2 more games to get the thingy. The like reward for winning 6 games. I can't believe that person left.
The enemy has taken your flag.
You are safe with me.
Yeah.
Miscalculation will cost you everything. Everything from them.
They're like, follow me. The game's already over.
I will give you shelter.
Yeah.
Now do you see your error?
Die. Dang. They're like, bruh. That's funny. We got rolled. So yeah, maybe not that. That wasn't the game. I forget what this is called. This fruit is so big. It's a pomelo. But I learned what it's called in Cantonese. Let's try this again. So look. I'm really close. If I get one more challenge done, I get this, which I already have, so whatever. But if I get 2 more wins and capture the flag, then I get the lucky rabbit. I'm guessing that's the thing that is the title. I actually don't know what it is. But I'm assuming the title is going to be Lucky Rabbit. And then I don't think I have this rabbit spray. Actually don't know if I do. I'm assuming I don't. I don't think Overwatch had it. I think it's only Overwatch 2 thing. How could I find out? Sprays. Special Battle Pass. Competitive. Achievements. Anniversary. Archives. Oh yeah. See, it's locked. And the rooster is locked and the dog is locked? What's that about? Why is the rooster and dog locked? I wonder. Because those are previous years. Wasn't... What the hell?
Now traveling to Busan.
Alright, let's try Ramatra again. I feel like he's pretty good. So, I've won 4 games so far. I know I can do 2 more, but it might be a long time coming. We'll have to see. Yes, Pomelo! Mm-hmm. You can have some if you want. You know where I am.
We will have peace at any cost.
You better keep up. This isn't a daycare.
Kids can surprise you.
Then I better not be disappointed.
What is that?
Kids also disappoint you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, so sad. Don't be sad.
Victory from your grasp. I am with you.
Oh god, I'm the only tank. Help! It's a sad night. Oh, you can hear me now. Hi.
Was that all?
How's your day?
The enemy has taken our flag.
Pew pew pew. Can't chase this Lucio. Goddamn. Oh my god, heals, please.
Take everything from them. Heal me. I am grateful.
Oops. I can't believe I just put the shield there. I have 25 health.
The enemy has taken our flag.
Wait, where did my thing go? Oh, she deflected it.
Recover your flag.
Ah ha ha ha! I'm sleeping. No, help! Help! Help, no! Oh my god, this Kiriko sucks. You're writing docs? Dude, the project this week is to write docs for you. I could generate them for you. And for now, it's fine. It's nice that you're here, though. Then I can say hello properly.
Put them in the ground.
Pew pew pew! Oh, I'm dead.
The enemy has taken.
Ah. We're back. Yeah. My chat's still loading. There we go. Now it's on. I forgot to turn the VPN off. Overwatch just booted me and yeah. Derp. Oh no. No. Let me in. Womp womp. Broken screen. Ah. Writing docs. I wonder how much time do people devote to writing docs? And or why aren't there people who just write docs? Like, why isn't that the only job? How come developers write the docs? Is it because they know what they are supposed to put in it? Like, why have a middleman when the developer can write it? Because they wrote the code. Oof! 2 hours already? Sounds like you've been distracted. Unless it's really that much writing. Holy shit. I already have problems just writing a basic readme for a basic derpy little project. I can't imagine doing that for 2 hours. Okay, that makes sense that you would do it then. Yeah. That's fair. I'm gonna see if I can reboot this game. Let me in! Please! There we go. I feel bad for that game that I left. I didn't mean to. Hmm. Man, I don't know what it is about showering that just brings down your body temperature and doesn't let it go up again. I feel like other people don't have this problem. Like, I know cooling yourself off with water is a thing, but I never warm up again. I'm just like permanently frozen.
The enemy has taken your flag.
Oh shit! Backfill! No! No!
Score 2-0. Match
This is bullshit. Healer, tank.
the enemy has taken your flag.
Oh, the game's already over. I wonder if this is backfill in the game that I left.
Defeat. Play of the game.
No one can hide from my sight.
Okay. Round 3. Priority Riku. Ayo. Brr. There's all this food left on my plate. On this table. But it's all just like pork fat. There's no way I'm eating it. But it looks like food.
Welcome to Aigitia. Prepare for battle.
I keep looking at it like, oh yeah, I have more food left. But it's just blobs of fat that I don't want. Such a disappointment. Tank, tank, tank. Heal, heal?
Cause trouble in my city, and I will show you how we deal with them.
The hamster will use your chassis as a vacation home.
I want someone to go Junker Queen in combination with the Lucio. Yes!
2, 1. Capture the enemy flag.
Come on, Mercy.
Your team has the flag. Your team has dropped the flag. Your team has the flag. The enemy has taken your flag.
Get my
Ah!
Your team has captured. Score
Saved a Mercy. Oh yeah. Oh, we're tied.
Score. Your team has the flag.
We're faster. We're faster. Yes.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah.
Your team has captured the flag. Score 2-1. Match point.
Heroes never die.
Let's go. Let's go. Oh, I'm dead. It's arcade. This is the capture the flag mode. It's not super old.
Your team has the flag.
Get out of here. Oh my god, let's go! Come on, let's go! Run, run, run! Go, go, go! Yes! Let's capture the flag! It's so good! So we had double speed boosts. You can't use any of your speed abilities in this game to carry the flag, but you can boost your teammates who are holding it. So like Lucio can make you go faster. Damn! Win 10 games as Lucio. Complete 3 games in any arcade mode. Oh, daily. Win 5 games in the arcade mode. Weekly challenge and daily challenge. Oh, cool. So check this out. This event for Lunar New Year has some game modes they specify. So it's all capture the flag or bounty hunter. And if you play and you win or accomplish certain things, they give you stuff. So this Good Fortune Kachi, I already have this skin. So I'm not really trying to get that, but Lucky Rabbit, if I get one more win, then I can call myself a Lucky Rabbit, I guess. And then if I win 10 games of Bounty Hunter, which is probably never going to happen, I can have the bunny spray, which is so mean. They should lower this to like 3. I didn't know these were here! Dude, Jello told me they were here. Like, the Olympic ones, I didn't know there was, like, stuff you could do. I saw, in the Battle Pass... Let me open the Battle Pass. There was cool stuff, and I'm like, how do you get it? Because, like, if you go and look at the titles section, right? Like, this title says Argonaut, this title says Philosopher, blah, blah, blah. You get to the top, it says Titan, right? And I'm like, oh, cool. And then I saw someone else that had, like, the Eye of Medusa, or Medusa's something. And I'm like, wow, that's so neat. How far do you have to get up here? And I looked, and none of the titles have it. There was an event with, like, the Olympic stuff that I missed. There was, like, all these game modes that I had no idea were even here. I guess I didn't read well enough. Because I completely missed it until Jello told me. But it was, like, the last day or something that I actually got to take a look. I know what we can do. Do you know what this is?
Ready for battle.
Someone on the other team's name is Sarcasm. That's so good.
I'm overloading.
Yeah.
4, 3, 2,
Moira.
objective.
I know it's Mystery, but still. That's so funny that they give you Moira.
Pick up your feet, you drongos!
Ah, so aggressive.
A taste of poison.
Oh, already not healing the team. Bottom 500 Arisa.
Let the push
Oh no! Oh no! That didn't last. Bottom 500 Moira play. That was actually really funny. The orb instantly just hits the wall and goes the wrong way. I hate when that happens.
They built a turret.
That's so funny.
Sombra online.
But now we're at top 500 Widow. Yeah, you kill that turret.
enemy turret destroyed.
Oh, oh! Nice. Do you like grapefruit? This I'm not eating a grapefruit, but this is really similar. I almost like this better. Apparently grapefruit descended from the fruit that I'm eating. It's so weird that you're killing the blue ones, not the red ones. Mm. Oh my god. Oh my god. Poor guy. Oh shit. What, the color-coded ones? Probably. It's just my replay has like what the team on the left side of the screen versus the team on the right side of the screen, and it just picks a color.
My sight.
Mm.
A train of
Damn. What are they doing? Mm. They're screwing up now. It's like they didn't want to be those healers. They just lost 2 healers.
I needed that.
Oh my god. Res, res, res! Yes! That's evil. They're probably so upset. The fucking Widow's still here. It's Mystery Heroes. How is Rainbow doing?
My ultimate is charging.
Barricades moving.
Oh man.
Here I charged.
Enjoy your last place.
I love how the Junker Queen just turned drum. Good day!
From my sight.
Oh my god, stop!
Approaching the final destination.
Panic, panic, panic. He's learned his lesson. Oh, Jesus Christ. I guess he didn't learn. Ah! Dang! Parked it. That's pretty good. I like it. Let's see some more Widow, shall we? I'm gonna save the link. I need one more win though of Capture the Flag. I'm hoping this just gives me energy. Seeing the badass Widow plays. That was actually really funny that the Mercy rescue. She knew what she was doing. It's pretty awesome. Well, did okay enough and the team won. But I suppose it probably didn't matter what some of them were doing because you're putting so much pressure on them. Sometimes one player can really do that much influence.
For battle. Select your hero.
Young Metro? Ew. Raz! Ah! Into voice chat? My voice chat's been broken. Ah. Like I don't have a mic.
We will have peace at any cost.
Like, oh, here I should show you. Look at this. Options. Sound, voice chat. Voice chat device. I can't pick my microphone.
5, 4, 3,
I don't get it.
1.
Hello?
The enemy flag.
Hello? We have 2 healers, 2 tanks, and a Mei. I asked Jello if he knows what to do, and he's like, just try harder. I'm sure it'll be fine.
Your team has the flag.
I have taken the flag.
Your team has dropped the flag.
Ah,
Flag returned. Your team has the flag. Your team has dropped the flag.
die, please.
Your team has dropped the flag. Your team has the flag.
Oh my god, die. Die. Thank you.
Your team has captured.
Oh my god, thanks. I'm alive.
Misery made manifest.
Pew pew pew. Boop 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 boop.
Your team has dropped the flag. Your team has the flag.
Ah! So I used this setup before with the mic. I think whatever update happened on Overwatch busted it.
Point.
Cause my mic gets set through Windows and specified through Potato? Voice meter Potato? Idiot. Boop! Help! Where's Mercy? Kill Mercy! Ah! I'm not gonna make it. I use a device for voice chat set as input in Windows audio setting.
Team has dropped the flag.
Was that all?
Windows sound setting.
Your team has the flag.
Could have sworn your flag was just there.
Your team
Oh.
The language you understand. Violence.
Maybe my voice mod doesn't work. Fireworks! Yay.
enemy flag returned.
You are needed here.
Hi, Mercy. Smoosh.
Your team has the flag.
Told you.
Your team has dropped the flag.
I will annihilate their defenses. Join me.
Your team has the flag.
Hi. You're dead. Hi. You're also dead. You're dead. Bye. Oh my god, we get the thing. Yes.
Play of the
Good job. Who was good? The Risa was really good. Oh, it's me! You're dead. And you're dead. No. It doesn't have me jumping off the cliff after a mercy. Yay. That's awesome. So now I can see what the title is? Name card. How do I set my name card? Ooh. Ooh! That's the name card we get? That's so cool. I like that. The year and the rabbit. Now I can leave this up all year. I thought it was a name, like a title. It's a name card. Yeah, you should get this. Dang. Yeah, see, look. There are all these titles you can get from season 2. That's now locked forever, I guess. Acolyte of Medusa. Sentinel of Hades. Pride of Poseidon. They were so cool. This is the thing I didn't know existed until it was too late. Alright, Bounty Hunter. This one, you have to win 10 games. And I think a win is like first or second place. But even so. I won one, the first one I played. Probably from sheer dumb luck. But I've tried some games of this mode since, and it's like impossible. I'm gonna test my microphone though. Options. Sound, voice chat, default devices. And then go to training and see if my name pops up. Hello? And it's fixed. There, you see that at the top? It says faildeverpoler. Alright, that's not ideal though. Why not? So voice mod's not working. That's the problem. Overwatch is fine. Voice mod is not. Let me see if I can run that program. I think voice mod had an update recently too, so I didn't think of that. Log in. One moment, please. Here, we'll do this. Technical difficulties. Wow. Oh, it's not even set up anymore? What a pain in the ass. It's okay, Setsu. Everything's fine. Wait, what? You like the screen? Oh, I know what I should add. Oh, I'm so glad you like it. Here, I'm gonna add something. Add an image. Let's see. What's that one emote called? I forget what I named them. Browse. Open up streaming folder. Emotes. My emotes. What's his name? It's not the derp raccoon. Oh, the nani? There. That's better. Okay. Alright, I might mess up my mic for a sec. I have my audio settings that I prefer written down. It's so much better with that. Wait. I want to move him a little closer. That's better. No, wait. Yeah. He's so cute. I see you're gonna play some Overwatch too. Very nice, very nice. I'm just setting up my voice mod because for whatever reason it didn't remember my stuff. So microphone is voice meter aux output. VB audio aux bio. And the speaker is voice meter input. VB Vio. Ta-da! Alright, cool. Woo! Okay. And now... voice meter input. Microphone voice mod. There we go. And now. Okay. Sorry, I just needed a second. We're good. We're good. Yeah. Look it. It's right there. And oh, what I don't know is was the sound on? Okay, wait. Voice changer is on. Oh my god, can you hear it? No. Can you? Oh my god. No, you can't. Oh, thank god. Voice meter aux output VB? Wait, I'm honestly not sure. Can you hear the voice changer? I know Overwatch will hear the voice changer. If I start speaking as a robot, they'll be like, what? No, okay. In that case, let me fix this. Instead of the mic being that, I'll set it to voice mod. Aha! I bet you can hear it now. No, it's on. It's been on. I'm a monster. Okay. Hopefully I fixed it. You don't think it comes to stream? Dang. I'm trusting you right now. I just changed my... It's definitely on, the voice changer. But I just changed the microphone input to that. Maybe it ain't right. Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed the volume spike. That's so weird.
Welcome to Valevent. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Oh well, I'll deal with it later. So many cool things I try to do with the stream. I end up getting a little confused here and there. I thought something was wrong. But I forgot. I joined the bounty hunter game. So this person who has the money bag over their head. No! No! Time to leave. Can I be an e-squirrel? Of course you can. I just ruined your... E-squirrel. Yes!
Taken the lead.
No, get away! I don't like fighting you. Leave me alone! I'm dead. What made you think of being an e-squirrel? Sensu.
Ready for a shock. Time for the reckoning.
Dang it!
Time for the reckoning.
Fighting the
Forward barrier activated.
Health pack, yay!
For the reckoning.
Enemy needs 3 kills.
타고칠 준비된 사람.
Ah!
Healing up. Neutralizing projectile.
Dang, she's fast! Oh, but I'm better. Everyone get away! I'm gonna blow up. I didn't blow up! Oh, I blew up! I can't believe I look like an e-girl. You're just lucky that you're the one who said it. I'm in 4th place. I think I need to get into 1st or 2nd. But I kind of want to eat this. Just esports? I mean, it's the same thing, isn't it?
For the reckoning.
I have 6 kills. I have to get 11.
Get ready for a shock.
Oh my god. Get away! No, I hooked the wrong one! So like if you're a girl, what's the difference?
Enemy needs 2 kills.
How many kills? 14 kills?
Reckoning.
Ah! Oh, it's her again. How do I get out of here?
Enemy needs 1 kill.
Fudge. Couldn't even get there.
Match complete.
Jello's like, this mode is so easy. No, it's not. Not for me. I'm such a noob. Hmm. Dang it. Regular mode? That might be better. I'm supposed to win 9 of those? I don't think so. That one was seriously just dumb luck. Alright, this is gonna be last game. Because it's 4 o'clock. But it's not gonna be damage, it's gonna be heals. I moved the bed closer when she was being all clingy. But now she's not clingy, so she won't come sleep in the bed next to me. She's so funny. I swear I need to have dog beds everywhere. Just to accommodate her attitudes. Okay.
Welcome to Rialto.
Yes. Murder. Four o'clock. Last game. I think what I'll end up doing to get ready for class is, well, I have chores to do. So I might do some of those, but I think for class I'll like watch some videos and read up on some notes. Now that I know what I'm supposed to do for class.
Just one more mission.
Wait, how did you do that? Kappa. What do you mean? What do you mean? What do you mean? No, I have things I have to do before I go to school. But I didn't even read the assignment necessarily. So now I know what to do. Who's the tank?
Escort the pale in sight, and this will go smoothly. Healing you.
There he is.
Payload secured. Let's move.
The Junker Queen stands with ya.
I'm gonna shoot your feet. Oh, nice.
That must sting.
Taking damage.
Thank you. No recovering.
Get him.
I've got you.
Oh. Go! Murder! Beat him up! Dang it, she deflected it again. Widow, what are you doing?
Enemy in sight. Covering you. You're powered up. Get in there.
Wow.
La- Taking care of you.
I'm missing. Why is she saying thanks?
Negative.
Let's take him to the wasteland. Let the kitsune guide you. That's God's power. I'm under attack.
Okay, so at least I'm not the only one who's wasted an ult today.
I appreciate the support. We're outnumbered.
Wow.
Keep healing.
Dang it.
Enemies here.
Ah. Doc Dorf. Doc Waldorf?
My turns.
What's happening?
I'll be right there. No one can hide from my sight. Don't fret. I see you.
He's just taking it to the face. Stop. Where are you going?
Over here, healing fortified.
Winston, what?
Freeze! Don't move!
Nodding off. Let's kick this off. You're powered up. Get in there.
You should get out of the way!
I can't believe he's still alive. I slept his ass.
أنا ما حدش يقدر عليا.
Ah! Thank God this is the last game. Not a very productive stream, but it's nice to just hang out. No, not a Reaper! No! Fudge. Who did that? They still have the Genji. Oh, Soldier went Reaper? Did they even have a Soldier? I didn't notice their other damage hero.
10 seconds.
Let the kitsune guide you.
I think this is a tank diff issue. Dang. Die! Wow.
Play of the game.
You should get out of the way!
So funny. Finally died. Well, at least I got to play healer. Ultimate offense. Offense? Oh. Nope. Okay. That's it for the stream. I'm keeping it short. Didn't really do too much coding today. Just investigating, which is good too. And I feel really accomplished in Overwatch, so that's okay. At least did something. Overwatch 2 Year of the Rabbit. What is it called? Nameplate? Name tag? That was pretty cool. Let's see. Last thing is I'd like to see if there's anyone on Twitch. Maybe we can go say hi. I've got to go study and watch some videos, so I probably can't multitask in another stream. But if someone's open, we can hang out. There's some people on, but no one I know super well. I guess that'll be that. Missed it. Sorry, Jello. I saw you popped on like right during my last game. I gotta go study and get ready for class. Thanks for coming over though. Till next time. Yeah. Bye guys. Do something fun today. Thanks for popping over.